everyone! Welcome to Hungry Kiddo. For today's video, we are going to bake for the first time. Disclaimer, I am not a professional baker. I just fell in love with baking. I am going to share with you how to make a banana cake. Let's get started! First, we are going to mash the bananas and then we are going to sift the dry ingredients, which includes all-purpose flour, iodized salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and then set it aside. After that, we are going to prepare our wet ingredients. Add the canola oil and sugar in a bowl and mix it until it is well incorporated. And then we are going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. After that, you may add banana extract for additional flavor and then mix it well. Once the wet ingredients are mixed, you may now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients or vice versa. Mix it well until there is no all-purpose flour visible. You have the option to add the chocolate chips to the mixture or add it as toppings. For the last part, we are going to grease our 2 baking pans with oil and put parchment papers and then put our bread mixture to the pan. Make sure to preheat your oven for 15 minutes. We are going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, but it depends on the temperature of your oven. You can check the bread at 30 minutes and then check every 5 minutes if it is still not yet cooked. It's very easy, especially for beginners in baking like me. By the way, I already repeated this recipe and I added 1/2 cup of fresh milk and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar since we have no available buttermilk at home. With this, you will get a better and softer texture. Please check the description box for the list of ingredients. Happy baking! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everyone!